So we are given x is equal to -2 is the root of this equation, and we have to get the value of k, and further it's given that this has equal roots. So first thing that we will do is to plug in x as -2 in this. As -2 is the root of this equation, it should give you the value of p here. -2 square plus 7 times -2 plus p equals 0. This is 4, right? 4, positive 4 into 3 is positive 12, and this is negative 14 plus p equals 0. So this is negative 2 plus p equals 0. That implies p is equal to 2. So once we have obtained the value of p, the next thing that we will do is to replace this p with the value which is 2 in this case. So now we have x square. Simultaneously, we'll open this bracket. So this is 4k times x plus k square minus k plus p, and p is what? P is 2. So I can write this as 2 equal to 0. Now from here we can obtain ABC. A is what? 1. The coefficient of x is b, so clearly b is negative 4k, and c is the constant term, which is k square minus k plus 2 equals 0. Now it says that it has equal roots. That means for equal roots d is equal to 0. So d can be replaced with b square minus 4ac. So we have b square minus 4ac equals 0. We may even write this as b square is equal to 4ac. So b square, b is what? This. So this will give you square of this, that is 16k square. Square of this is 16k square equals 4 times a is 1, and c is this, that is k square minus k plus 2. I can reduce this. 4 times is 16. So this is 4k square. If I transpose k square to the left hand side, it will be negative k square. Transposing k to the left hand side, positive k, and negative 2 equals 0. On simplifying this, we get as what? 3 times k square plus k minus 2 equals 0. So here we got this quadratic polynomial in terms of k. So this we can factorize to obtain the value of k here. So let's do it here. This is from the factors of 2 into 3, 6. We have to obtain k. That's possible. If I write 3k square, I can write k as what? 3k minus 2k minus 2 equals 0. From first two term, we have 3k as common. So that results to give you k plus 1. If I take negative 2 a common from here, we get k plus 1 again equals 0. Now throughout k plus 1 is common. So we can write this as 3k minus 2 equals 0. Now check here, on equating this with 0, we get k as negative 1, and equating this with 0, we get k equals 2 over 3. So we had to get the values, or it says value, but we have two possible values. K is -1 and k is equal to 2 over 3.